Okay, today we're going to learn about number gender agreement in Arabic, which is one of the cases. What we're going to start with is the ism, which is a noun. And looking at ism, we could look at the zakar, which is the male, and the uthna, and the untha, which is the female. Now, zakar would have three sets. You have the singular, the dual, and the plural. And the same would apply to the untha, which is the singular, dual, and plural. Just to make it clear, let's show this. So that's the ism. It's divided into two. This is male. This is the female. And we have the plural, dual, singular, plural, dual, singular for each. Now, the only difference is in the endings. For singular, the endings remain the same. So, whatever word you're given, if it's a singular form, we don't add anything to it. For the dual form, however, for the masculine, which is the male, is you add an alif and a noon at the end of the word. And for the plural, you add a waw and a noon. So just to go back again, the singular, you don't add anything to it, and the dual, you add an alif and a noon, and the plural is a waw and a noon. The female, however, is a bit different. The singular, you add a ha at the end. For the dual, you add a ta, alif, and a noon. And for the plural, simply add an alif and a ta. So singular, masculine, you leave it the same. Here you had the alif and the noon, waw and the noon for plural. You add the ha, the end of the word, for female, for feminine, singular. The ta, alif, noon for dual, and the alif ta for plural. Now, to help us remember, we'll use the following table. So let's say male here, we'll have the female here. This feminine, masculine, and along the sides we will have singular, dual, and we can add plural here. Okay, we already know for the male singular, just leave it alone. Female singular, we're adding the ha. The male dual, we would add an alif and a noon. In the female dual, it's a ta, alif, and a noon. For plural, we would add a waw and a noon for masculine, and feminine, we would add an alif and a ta. So this little table here helps us remember what goes into each column, and makes it a little easier to add the different endings that we would need to add based on the gender and the number. Now that we know this table, we've memorized it hopefully. Let's use some words. Let's have some examples. Let's use the word katib, for example. Katib. Katib means author. Now, in a singular format, we know katib remains the same. We use that word. So, let's do a feminine singular for katib. We'd write it the way it is first. Katib. And because, remember from our table, we make it feminine singular, we simply add a ha at the end. And now this becomes katiba, which is a female singular. Let's try the masculine dual. We'll just add an alif and a noon. Then this becomes katiban. Let's do the feminine dual. Feminine dual, write our word the same and add a ta, alif, and a noon. And this becomes katibatan. This is female dual. Now let's add, again, writing our word the same. And let's do a plural singular. So we'll simply add a waw and a noon. And this becomes katibun. And if you wanted to have a female plural, we'll just add an alif and a ta, katibat. This gives us the female plural. So we've gone through all of them, and here are some words for you to practice with. Hafiz, naib, will be your homework. Thank you.